Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus Property Management, bringing you guys to 73 Health Avenue, Unit 6, located in Providence, Rhode Island. This is a third floor apartment that features 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Before I begin the walkthrough, I'd like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel, where you can view this walkthrough at any time, along with all of our other walkthroughs and any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you. So we're going to begin in the kitchen area. As you can see, it's very spacious in here. Plenty of room for a dining set. Comes with hardwood floorings redone and the fresh paint on the walls. Here's the large size refrigerator and some countertop and cabinet space, along with the exhaust fan and the gas stove. And over here is the single bin stainless steel sink, along with plenty more cabinets. So you'll be able to store as much as you can in here. Again, very spacious in here. A dining set should be able to fit no problem. Apartment also features the gas baseboard heaters, which are featured in every room. All right. Next up, we will go into the living room, which once again features the hardwood flooring redone and the fresh paint. Very spacious in here. A couch should be able to fit, entertainment system, whatever you want to hook up. As you can see over here, the Verizon, Fios, internet ready cables are over here. Once again, gas baseboard heaters aligning the room and plenty of outlets. Very nice. All right, next up we're gonna head all the way over here, which in this corner is gonna be the bathroom. And the bathroom features a nice tile flooring, really well done in here. A little small, but houses the necessities. And as you walk into the bathroom, you will be greeted by the Nexus welcoming package with all your amenities needed. I'll show you guys the full tub and shower over here, the nice sink and mirror. Awesome. And right next to the bathroom is the first bedroom we're going to look at. The bedrooms feature the redone hardwood flooring along with the fresh paint, plenty of outlets, and the gas baseboard heaters. And they also have ceiling fans in here for this heat. And these are smaller bedrooms, but still should be able to fit a standard size bed in here. And they do make up for it with the large closet space over here, which is very nice. Each bedroom has a pretty large closet space. All right, next up is going to be the second bedroom and the third bedroom, which are located on this end of the apartment. Over here is just some extra closet space, which has a couple shelving. And I should mention with this apartment that you will have storage area down in the basement, as well as coin-operated laundry and a assigned outdoor parking. All right, so this is the second bedroom. Redone hardwood flooring once again, the fresh paint and the gas baseboard heat. Once again, a smaller bedroom, but standard bed should be just fine with a couple pieces of furniture. And the large closet space, very nice, very spacious, very nice. All right, and last but not least is the third bedroom. Once again, hardwood flooring, redone, fresh paint, gas baseboard heaters, and plenty of outlets. Awesome. And I'm going to show you guys real quick the large closet space over here. All right. Awesome. And once again, this is 73 Health Avenue, Unit 6, located in Providence, Rhode Island. And before I leave, I would like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel, where you can view this listing along with all of our other listings and any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much.